now I just wanna jump and take a melody, pump it up like it ain't no thing. To get right into it, and I might have blow with them, but don't let them influence you. See, girl, I know we changed a lot, and said a lot of them try, can't take your spot. So let's pop that bubble and let loose the trouble. Go and get it on the double, and we'll land it in a cuddle. Yeah. Oh damn, I might have just caught feelings so high, let's touch that ceiling. And I got some baggage to deal with, my heart's on the line, don't steal it. And I know what you're thinking, but check it, I got a lot more than a few rats on a record. And if we wanna go back, that's alright now, we're going back to my
Take me back with you, take me back, back, back. Take me back with you. Take me back with you.
What's going on, guys? Yo boy Roy here, showing you a desk tour of my setup. As a gaming YouTuber and Twitch streamer, it's always been my goal to have some of the most top-of-the-line equipment to bring my audience the most pleasurable experience. What you're hearing right now is the blacked out blue Yeti microphone. This is my personal and pro gamer's choice for delivering crystal clear audio to our audiences. This microphone has been responsible for all the commentary I provide on my series Inside the Mind of a Diamond, dedicated to helping players get better at Rainbow Six Siege. The Yeti features 4 different pattern settings to stream, podcast, or record in ways that would normally require multiple microphones. Coupled with the simple controls for headphones, volume, instant mute, and pattern selection, the Yeti allows me to quickly optimize my commentary for nice, clean audio.
Hi, this is Hillary from Blue, and let's check out Yeti. Yeti is a multi-pattern USB microphone. As a plug-and-play USB microphone, it connects directly to the USB port on your laptop or desktop computer, and without having to download any other software, will work with your favorite recording program, whether you're recording to GarageBand or Audacity, podcasting, dictation, or even Skype. Yeti features 3 condenser capsules. A condenser capsule delivers that rich, detailed audio you typically find in studio recordings. As a multi-pattern microphone, Yeti offers 4 polar pattern options, or directions in which the mic will pick up sound. Yeti will record in cardioid, which is directionally to the front, great for instruments or single-person podcasts. Yeti will also record in omnidirectional, which is 360 degrees around the mic. This is great for band practice, a chorus, or multi-person podcast. Yeti will also record in stereo, which is right and left. This is great for instrument recording to get your right and left separation, or for voice and vocals, it gives you an open, natural room sound. And last, Yeti will record in figure of 8 or bidirectional, which just means front and back. This is great for duets or interviews. Yeti features some studio controls directly on the mic. On the back, above your polar pattern selection, you have analog gain control, which allows you to adjust the sensitivity of the microphone. You can also plug headphones directly into Yeti for zero-latency direct monitoring, which is great for multi-tracking or just being able to hear exactly what you're recording without any echo or delay. Yeti features headphone volume on the front, as well as a mute button, in case you have to sneeze in the middle of a podcast. Yeti comes with this desktop stand, but also has a standard thread for connecting to a traditional mic stand, or the Radius, which is Yeti's custom shock mount sold separately. For more information, visit bluemic.com.
wanna find my way tonight, way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new tomorrow. One night to find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
Like this, so good. So there we go. I hope this helped in your buying decision. And again, maybe we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.